In this video, I'll show you how to send money with Wise. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Open the Wise app or website and sign in with your account credentials. I'll leave a link to the wise.com website in the description down below. Step 2. Go to Send section. Select the Send option on the home screen to begin your transfer. Step 3. Add or select recipient. Choose an existing recipient or add a new one by entering their bank details or Wise tag email/phone. Step 4. Enter transfer amount and currency. Specify either the amount you want to send or the amount the recipient should receive, and select the currency. Step 5. Choose payment method. Select how you want to pay for the transfer, via bank transfer, debit or credit card, or from your Wise balance. Step 6. Review transfer details. Verify all details including fees, exchange rate, recipient info, and estimated delivery time. Step 7. Confirm and send. Confirm the transfer and complete the payment. Wise will notify you when money is sent and received. Step 8. Track your transfer. You can track transfer progress in your Wise account until the recipient receives the money. Now I have some tips for sending money with Wise. Use bank transfers to reduce fees whenever possible. Double check recipient information to avoid delays. Keep your Wise account verified to send larger amounts and faster. And that's how you send money through Wise. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.